how to turn off safe mode on your phone. Hey guys, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva here, back with another video on the Mundo Paiva Tutorials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off safe mode on your phone quickly, easily, and with the latest methods. If your phone is stuck in safe mode and you don't know how to get out, stick with me till the end because I'll show you some methods that really work. But first, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because we have new videos almost every day. So let's get started, guys. First off, remember that safe mode is an Android feature that starts the phone with only the original system apps loaded. It's often used to identify issues caused by installed apps, or depending on how you restarted your phone, it might also boot into safe mode. If you see safe mode written in the corner of your screen, don't worry. Most of the time, guys, it's pretty easy to fix. The first thing you should do is restart your phone. You're going to press the power button and tap restart on your phone. Wait for your phone to turn off and back on to see if that fixed it. On many devices, folks, just restarting will make safe mode disappear. Now, check if it's gone, guys. If it's still there, let's move on to the next fix. The second thing you can do is turn it off manually. You're going to press the button, turn off your phone, and then wait a few seconds, 15 to 20 seconds, and then turn it back on normally. So turn it off, wait a little, and then turn it back on manually afterwards. In some cases, this works when a simple restart doesn't. If it still hasn't fixed it, there's a third option that many people forget. When your device is starting up, folks, check if any buttons are stuck, especially the volume down button. So if the volume down button here is being pressed when you turn on the device, it'll enter safe mode. I'm going to take off the case, guys, and you'll see if that button is stuck. Check if the down button, guys, is stuck, or if something is pressing it. So if it's being pressed, it'll always restart in safe mode. So check if it's being pressed and try to release it if it's stuck too far in so it doesn't keep happening. Another important thing, guys, if nothing's pressing it and the case isn't pressing the down button, check if you've installed any apps recently. If this problem started after you installed an app, it could be the app causing a conflict. So you go into settings, then here either settings or configure, apps or apps and notifications, depending on your phone, and check for recently installed apps. If you suspect any apps, just uninstall them, folks. Just click on it and then click uninstall here if you suspect any apps. Depending on the phone brand like Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, or others, some options might be in different places. But the process, guys, is usually similar. Now you know how to disable safe mode on your phone. These are the alternatives. Comment below which phone you use and how you solved it or which alternative you used. If this video helped you, please leave a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to the channel. I'll stop here, folks. A big hug, and God be with you. Thanks.